Have you ever wanted to extract valuable data from web pages, but you lacked the experience to do so? I thought we can change the rhythm today for this challenge and tackle not a boot to root machine, but a challenge that will allow us to learn how to scrape web pages. It's a valuable skill if you want to extract data from web pages to maybe during open source intelligence when you want to maybe extract the name of the employees from LinkedIn or Facebook, etc. And you don't have the API access to that service. Now, the videos are going to be short. I'm not going to spoil it for you. I'm just going to explain the challenge and how to tackle it without giving too much details. If we go to CTF all the day and choose a free room, I know that there are some challenges that we don't want to publish solutions for. So this is the message that says, hey, attention, this CTF is linked to the challenge, and so it doesn't make sense to publish the solution for it. It's not the case for this challenge, but since this is a box that I guess has been developed by RootMe, and they have a policy against publishing solutions, then we have to respect that. But don't worry, you'll get all the tools you'll need to craft your best solution. So the first thing we notice is there's no need to do any port scanning. We already have the port numbers here. So we have a TCP port 4444 and 8000. So let's interact with it. Now, if I use netcat CTF04, which is the room of our CTF challenge, and then port 4444, I have a banner, apprentice scraper, how to use. We basically receive a JSON object or question number followed by a JSON string which contains the URL, the cookie, the name of the cookie and the value of the cookie, and then a question that we need to answer. So in this case, the question is, what's the last child's tag of the li element with ID, blah, 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 blah. And the solution should be put inside a JSON object with the attribute solution, and the answer should be here. First of all, we need to change the URL XX here to the number of the room that we are in, and all the attributes should be returned in this format. So alphanumerical string that has exactly 10 characters. If you notice, we have the port number 8000, which is nothing but the second port of the challenge here. And so we need to send a request to that URL with this cookie and answer this question. Okay, so if we send something like, I don't know, dummy string, it says too late. Okay. If I send something else, I get kicked out. So if I retry, now I get another question. What's the divs ID value with random blah, 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 blah. And if I send something, it says too late. So it seemed that I need to be really quick, and there is no way I will take that URL, fetch it with the cookie manually, and get an answer timely. It's impossible. So we need to automate this stuff. And to do that, we're going to turn our attention to Python, and that's what we're going to do in the next video. As I said, the videos are going to be short. Go ahead and try it on your own and drop me a comment or go to RootMe's Discord server to discuss the details without spoiling the challenge. As always, stay curious, keep learning, and go find some bugs.